everyone, and welcome to another English listening practice story. Today, we are traveling back in time to discover how the United States of America was really born. This is a story of brave settlers, powerful empires, rebellion, and the fight for freedom. More than 400 years ago, North America was home to many Native American nations. Then, European explorers arrived, bringing new ideas, new technologies, and new conflicts. Over time, 13 British colonies were established along the eastern coast of North America. The colonies grew quickly, but many settlers became unhappy with British rule. They believed they were being taxed unfairly and wanted the right to govern themselves. Tensions increased year after year. Protests turned into resistance, and resistance eventually became revolution. In 1775, war broke out between the colonies and Great Britain.
Against all odds, the colonists continued their struggle for independence. Led by determined leaders and supported by ordinary men and women, they fought for a new idea: that people should have the right to choose their own government. On July 4th, 1776, the colonies declared their independence and gave birth to a new nation, the United States of America. But the story did not end there. The young nation faced many challenges, including war, political divisions, and the difficult task of building a government that would last. This is the fascinating story of courage, sacrifice, and the birth of one of the world's most influential countries. So, sit back, relax, and improve your English as we explore the question: how America was really born.